Greetings traders, it's Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. About to get started trading here using the codes. Going to be looking for and taking a code 2 trade, and when I've taken the entry will come back. Okay, I've taken a short position. Stop is set to 75.52. I will come back. Stop has been hit on that trade and it shot up too, right into the stop. Got a little loss there. Little slippage, I mean. Anyway, I am looking for another entry here. I think it's going to be a long, but I'm not entirely sure. Let me confirm it with the code, and I will be back once I've taken entry. Okay, I've got another short entry here. I'll be right back. I'm going to set the stop. I messed up that order. I had to retake another position short here. Resetting the stop, be right back. Okay, here's what the daily looks like now. It's starting to go red here. We are looking good. We almost have a break of the first code, which would mean that the first code is no good. And we also at the same time will be getting a second code 2 to go short here. Which I've already taken a position, but I'll be looking for it to show me mathematical confirmation that it is going to go short. I mean that it confirms that it's short. But anyway, we're looking really good right here. Looks about as good as I warned that it's very possible that oil would do this very thing right here that it's doing today. Anyway, looking for it to come down now. I'll come back. Okay, it's starting to make a move down here. For 60 ticks, it's taking me down to 74.75. I may just go ahead and just keep that 60 tick exit there. I'm just going to watch it for a bit, see how much it really looks like it wants to come down, and follow the codes here. I may go for more, or I may just keep the 60, but I will go for at least the 60 though. I'll come back. Okay, it is getting late here where I am, and so I'm going to close out the trade and go to sleep. But I probably could hold it for longer, and it may come down and break this low down here and come and hit my 60 tick exit. But other than that, the market isn't moving very much here today. Probably will move more tomorrow for the news. So anyway, I'm going to close out the trade here. Looks like it's starting to drop a little bit here, but I'm just going to close it out. Okay, so I'm out, done for today. I'll be back tomorrow on Wednesday to take the Newsday entry, which is a code 2 trade, and should be a fairly easy day tomorrow. Hopefully it'll move a lot tomorrow too. Anyway, hope you traders are doing well. Happy trading out there.